Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. Today we're taking a break from aircraft and heading onto the pitch, because on the bench we've got something a little different. The Airfix 1/32nd scale footballers kit. This kit was originally released in the early 1970s and was part of Airfix's efforts to expand into more fun and playful subjects beyond vehicles and planes. The boxing we've got today is from the late 70s or the early 80s and features a team of classic football players frozen mid-match. Perfect for anyone who loved the beautiful game and model making. Inside the box you get 29 figures, all in 1/32nd scale, which means they're about 2 inches tall. The players are moulded in this peach coloured plastic and they come in a variety of action poses: kicking, tackling, running and celebrating. There's even a referee. The detail was actually pretty impressive for the time, and you'll notice creases in the shorts, socks rolled down and even some old school football boots. There are no decals in this set, so it's all down to your painting skills to bring these figures to life. You could paint them up as your favourite team, maybe a classic 1970s England squad, or just make up your own strip. So that was a quick look at the Airfix 1/32nd scale footballers, a quirky and nostalgic kit that shows just how wide Airfix's range used to be. Would you like to see Airfix bring back more non-military kits like this? Maybe even update the footballers with today's kits and teams? Let me know. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time for another retro unboxing.